Okay, the next portion of the assembly is to set the Bartop on top of the base, which is at 75%. So what the instructions say is to we're going to put this on top. Here we have 4 holes, and then we're going to screw the other type of screws through the bottom of the inside of the cabinet. But there's one trick, and I don't think it's included in the instructions. Let me show you. If you kind of turn your bar top that way so that you could look at the bottom of it, we have these rubber anti-slip foam things or rubber things. So if you're only going to use for your bar top, you can set it on top of the table and it doesn't slip. It makes sense. But since we're going to be using it with our base, we really don't have any need for these rubber stoppers here. So what I do, I went ahead and removed them. So let's go ahead and do that, and then we could proceed with the next step of this. Okay, now that we have all 4 of the rubber foots removed, or the rubber feet removed, we could go ahead and continue with putting the bar top on top of the base here. So let's go ahead, just moving around my screwdriver starting to scratch this. Return it to its normal position or upright position, and we could go ahead and fit it in smoothly. Like I said, it is about 20-25 pounds, so if you need somebody to help you, or just so you can feel more secure, go ahead and do that. If you feel comfortable assembling it yourself or lifting it yourself, go ahead and put it over, and you can just, at this point, you could set it on top of the base, and it's pretty sturdy. Just be careful that you don't tap it, because it might push forward, and since this is not screwed on, it could fall down and get scratched or damaged. Okay, at this point, go ahead and get your other type of screw, which is the RJ. My bag came with 5. Hopefully yours came with the same. I think there's only 4 holes, so there's a spare one in case one is damaged or you lose one. We're going to go through the front and get these screwed in. If you follow the same tactic that I've been following, you go about 80%. Once that you've known that there's no resistance on any of them, we could go ahead and tighten it up and finish it up at 100%. And they should be able to tighten with finger force with no issues, no resistance. Then go on to your next one. What you could do, if it's giving you some resistance, you could kind of move it here Mine went sort of flush on this portion of it, so if yours is the same, yours should go flush, and then the screw should go in with no resistance.
Okay.
Last but not least, we have the front panel to finish off. Front panel is called RH. Be really careful when you're putting this on. Once again, we're gonna slide it in here, and then use the remaining RB screws to tighten them up. Again, use your finger strength to kind of slip them in there and get them at about 80% or so before we finish off by tightening everything up. So I'm gonna go ahead, slip it on, and then we could go ahead and finish this off. One more thing, just since we have everything at this point at 80%, we're gonna go ahead, go around the entire cabinet and finish off those screws that you left at 80%, and go ahead and tighten them up at 100% now. Okay, at this point we have everything tightened at 100%. As you can see, the cabinet is sturdy, it's not moving, flush, leveled, and not crooked at all. So if this could help any of you guys, that'd be great. The only thing we have to finish is to go ahead and put the red caps in there so that it looks nice and tidy there. So let's go ahead and do that, and then we could turn this baby on. Okay, last but not least is the power on test. And for this test, I'm gonna have my little model, Alexis. Say hello, Alexis.
Hello.
She's gonna go ahead and power the system on, and she's gonna choose a game of her choosing to play it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe, as we're gonna go ahead and create other content, and we're gonna show you how to do different projects with this new system, the MVSX. Go ahead and suggest in the comments and let us know what other type of videos you would like for me to create for you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and see you all in the next time. Thank you all for watching.